Okay, so hello everyone, very good evening. Welcome to this live stream only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Okay, hi Kunal. Okay, you're very excited, and even Rahul, I am too very excited for this live stream today. Hey Jitendra, yes, namaskar. Welcome to the live stream. Um, Hey, hi everyone. It's Harishadan Maji too. I just request you to once check in. I guess now the audio is fine. Hey Nikhil, welcome to the live stream. I hope you all are doing well, guys, and staying safe. How are you all? Let me know in the chat box. Hi everyone. Welcome to the live stream. I hope everyone is doing good. Okay, Jitin, very good too. Uh, Very good to see that if you're doing good. And thanks for asking, Jitin. I'm doing super cool. And even I'm very excited for the session because we are having up a very good number of people from the starting only. So yeah, I'm very happy to be here today. Rahul, what is allow gift option? Do we have some option like that? um, Allow gift option, I guess, Rahul, that was something which is enabled last time. And I'm not sure whether it allows you to give me the gift or whether it allows me to give you the gift. I'm not sure with that. Okay, hi Jay, welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Hi Mani, I hope you are doing good. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome everyone to the live stream. One more thing, recently I just gotten many messages from you people for compiling all the videos of SQL and putting that onto the channel. So yes, I did so. You can go onto the channel and check out that compilation video of SQL. I have completed the whole SQL in one video. So do sure check out that particular video. It's completely onto your people or your choice. Okay. So go ahead and please check that out. Okay, Rahul, that was in chat box made from you, YouTube. Yeah, Rahul, last time I even got that thing from the YouTube. So yeah, it might be some of their options only. CSC DS06 Akhtar. Hello, hi Akhtar. Welcome to the live stream. I hope you are doing good. Navesh, please make course on DSA with Python. So Navesh, the work is going on to that particular course. As soon as this Python for machine learning finishes up, I guess it's gonna take somewhat 20 more days. After that, we will be starting with the DSA with Python only. So already, the videos have been lined up, and it's gonna come up in the next 2-3 weeks to you people. Crazy Shots, this project is going to be here for beginners or intermediate and beginner. See, Crazy Shots, this project is going to be for the beginners. I would explain such a way that if you are a very newbie in Python, so absolutely it will be completely clear to you as well. Okay, so not a worry if you're beginner or intermediate. I will tell you about the beginner one, and I would even tell the intermediate and the advanced people that how you can convert it into the intermediate and advanced level. Nikhil ma'am, please do Python advanced project. Sure, Nikhil, we will do that in the live stream. Maybe in the next live stream we will do that. Okay. Okay, most welcome, Crazy Shots. Even I have one thing. To ask in discussions about Python and machine learning. Discussions about Python and machine learning. Yeah, actually, after what is currently going is currently your machine learning module is currently going at my end onto the channel, and as soon as it finishes, it will take somewhat 3 weeks to get finished up, and then it will start in for you people to get your DSA with Python, a perfect course into which you will get each and everything, and you will be completely interview ready, and you'll be cracked any interview of any company in very easy manner. So I'm designing up the course in such a manner that after completing studying that particular course, you do not face any issues into your interviews. So it's like that. Rahul ma'am, I didn't want confidence coding, suggest from where to practice coding. Okay, so guys, actually I was just getting many questions like Rahul has asked about confidence in coding and the roadmaps for different things and things like that. So what I am planning is that, you people tell me is it okay or not. What I'm planning is that somewhat in 1 month, 1 or 2 times, we do up a generalized live stream. That the day will be Sunday, I guess. So yeah, we can do some generalized live streams in a month, so that whatsoever the general questions you are having related to your interviews, related to your roadmaps, related to your career options, right, related to your job roles, any type of questions are allowed in that particular live stream. So tell me what is your thinking over that. Tell me something like, are you people okay with this, or really do you want me to do with some live streams like that once in a month or twice in a month? Tell me. Because yeah, really I have been getting lots and lots of questions over that same thing. So how will it be? Okay Rahul, fine idea. Abhay, have you made videos DSA with Python? Abhay, I haven't made in, but soon you will be having that videos. Those are recorded at my end, and still the process is going on for the recording of the videos for the DSA with Python. So in next 2 to 3 weeks, you will be having DSAs onto the channel. The DSA with Python, you will have it onto the channel next 2 to 3 weeks. And this time I'm sure. This time I'm really very sure. Mani Tendulkar, yeah, twice. Okay. Okay. So if you people all are ready with that, so let's do it from next Sunday. So from next Sunday, we will be doing up a generalized live stream into which you can put up all of your general questions, interviews, roadmaps, or career advices, internships, job roles, anything of that kind is completely allowed to ask into that particular live stream. Okay, so from next Sunday we are gonna do that, and timings I will disclose it very soon. That haven't been finalized. It will be somewhat 10 or 10:30 only, but yeah, I'm gonna finalize that very soon. Okay, great. Hi. Abhay, oh, thanks. Yeah, sure, Abhay, most welcome for that, and surely it's gonna come very soon. CSC DS06 Akhtar, can you please see us a video link? Akhtar, it's not started yet. It's just that we will be starting that maybe from next 2-3 weeks. Abhay, Akhtar, it will be started from next 2-3 weeks. Okay. So just waiting for 2 or 3 more weeks. I know it's very long. I have been saying to you about the DSA things, but lastly 2 or 3 more weeks. Crazy Shots ma'am went out for becoming a Tableau consultant. You need to have proper coding skills. Yeah, Crazy Shots, actually you need to have not very much, but yeah, you need to have sort of a normal coding skills, because yes, that's really needed, because if you're gonna be a Tableau consultant, so some or the either place you need to write in some codes so to put in your data, or you need to have in some SQL in knowledge as well, right? So that will be my suggestion to you. Okay, Akhtar, fine. So what are we gonna do is that now let's start out our project for today, for which we all are here. Fine. So what I'm gonna do is that I will first of all explain that what's the project. Today's project is gonna be very much interesting. The one which we are going to make it up today. DSA means data structures and algorithms. Okay. So we'll be making up a project that is your QR code generator. A QR code generator project we'll be making up today. So that's so with the help of a GUI, means your graphical user interface, a GUI QR code generator. So it's gonna be first time that it's gonna be here, and I will explain you how you can generate up the QR codes accordingly. Now when I will tell you how to generate up the QR codes, let me tell you the benefit for that first of all. See, benefit is that you all have your Instagram IDs, you all have your Twitter handles, you all have your Facebook IDs. Now if you want to share, if you want someone to get connected up over there, so what you do, you tell your username or the user handle. What you can do from this project is that from this project you can create up your own QR code. So if anyone scans that QR code for you, automatically that person will be redirected onto your social media handle. Doesn't that sounds cool? Yes, it seems. So that is what we are gonna make up today. We'll make up QR code generators. So whatever the social media handles you are having, for that you can simply start putting your QR codes. You can start sharing that QR codes, and even it seems very interesting and it seems really very cool when you do it some of the extra things, right? So that's what we are gonna do in today. Sai Shrikant, ma'am, please don't try to use foreign accent. Your own style of English is better for listeners. My request, please. Okay, Sai Shrikant, actually I do not use that onto my own. When I am, I would say when I am very much fluent in like speaking with you people or explaining you of the things, so it automatically comes. But yeah, I will try to keep that thing better, and I'll try to just simply take up that thing in the consideration. But thank you so much for your suggestion to me. Nikhil, yes, this project is for the beginners only, right? It is for the beginners only. Okay, let's get started on with our project for today, everyone. Fine. So what I'm going to do is that I'll be first of all installing up the QR code library for you all, right? So command for installing is pip install QR code. Now this command, you can write it onto your terminal or you can write it onto your command prompt. Your choice. Okay? I am using up the pycharm IDE. Maybe you are using up your Visual Studio Code. Maybe you are using Sublime text editor. Or maybe you are using your Jupyter notebooks. It's on to you. You can use any of the respective IDEs. It's just that you have to simply install up this particular library onto your device. Pip install QR code. Okay. Santosh Kumar Giri, I have a question, ma'am. Yeah, Santosh, I got offer letter from Infosys. Which language should I prefer? Santosh, offer letter from Infosys. It's absolutely a wonderful thing. Santosh, very congratulations to you firstly. And which language should I prefer? Santosh, I'm not able to understand the question very clearly. Like, what are you like trying to ask? You're trying to ask which language to use in the manner, English to use in or Hindi, like that. Santosh, if you can help me to clarify that out. So I just have installed at my QR code library, and now I'm simply gonna import that over here. So import QR code, like that. Okay, import QR code. Yes. Coming down, I'm going to write up that from tkinter, I am going to import up a library, and that is asterisk. Okay, from tkinter, I am going to import up the asterisk. Get me a second. Let me get me space over here. Okay, so it means that from my tkinter library, what I am doing is that I am importing up the tkinter library. Sorry, from my tkinter library, I am importing up all of the functions over here. Whatever the functions I have up into my tkinter, all of them I am simply importing up at this particular place. Okay, that is what is my idea over here, right? Now, okay. Now what I will tell you people, all of you, is that there is one method into which you can use up your tkinter library for making up this QR code project, right? Second method is that you can simply generate up this QR code. Now it's on to you that what type of you want to make in. Accordingly, you make in your particular QR code generator. So for now, I'm not gonna use up this import one. Okay, I'm gonna simply let you know how you will be able to develop and make up a QR code generator for yourself. Okay, so what I would do next is that this is my particular QR code importing of my library. Now I'll be taking up a variable. Let's say my variable is A1. Okay, let it be simply A1 only. So A1 is equal to, I'm going to write up over here QR code dot QR code. This QR code is my library which I have imported up here, and this QR code is my respective function that we are having. Okay, putting up the brackets, I need to put up the size of my box underscore size. We know that we have up a rectangular box, right? Onto that rectangular box we have small squares or rectangular shapes that make up as a QR code for us. That makes a QR code for us, right? So box underscore size, I'll be mentioning up a size of my box. Let's say it's 35. Okay, it's on to you what size you want. You can put it up any of your choice. Okay, next I'll be using up a variable which is my border. I can set in up a border of, let's say, 5 thickness is my border, which I have just simply put up over here, right? Santosh, thank you so much, ma'am. Which programming language should I prefer? Santosh, programming language programming language, if you ask me out, I would ask you to prefer Python at your end, because that's one of the languages which is really very much nowadays into use, and people are generally using up that particular library, that language, Python. Okay, Mohammed Nadeem, hi Nadeem, welcome to the live stream. Hope you are doing good. Rahul, where to type pip install QR code? Yes, right, Santosh, correct. Rahul, you can go onto the command prompt and there you can write in the pip install QR code command, and you can simply install up your respective library. Okay, perfect. So that is done. The border is 5 over here, right? Now next what I'm going to do is that I can set up a respective code for me regarding the particular library, right? So I'm going to take that A1. Okay, A1 dot add underscore data. Add underscore data is my function. What this function will contain? This function will be containing Rahul, I'm talking about the pycharm ID. So Rahul, if you go talking about pycharm ID, go to this terminal option downside and write up into your terminal. Okay, it's just the 4th option, and you can simply write up your over here. That's the one where you can write it into your pycharm IDE. So yes, I am talking about this particular add underscore data variable. Sorry, this function, not the variable function. A1 dot add underscore data. So what is it actually doing is it will contain the link from which you want to generate the QR code for. The link for which you want to generate up the QR code. Let's say you are having any social media handle of yours. Okay, let's say there are all of you, I guess all of you might be here, and you all must have some or the other social media handle, right? So you want to generate up some QR code for that social media handle, so you can add up that particular link into this box. Okay, that is the idea. For me, I will be adding up my own YouTube channel, that I will be adding up in a short while, not right now, but I will add it in a short while. Now moving next, I can make up a fit for it, right? So I can just simply write it up over here like a1 dot make bracket fit is equal to your true. So here what I be doing, I am just simply using up that a1 variable and making the fit as true. It means that whatever is the fit of my particular size box of the size of the box or the things like that, I'm just completely making that all of the things fit inside that itself, right? This is what we are doing. So if you can please, everyone, if you can please give me a confirmation up till this particular place. Am I clear to you all regarding this particular thing? Right, Huzu Tech, absolutely right. Rahul, oh, most welcome Rahul, most welcome. Santosh, while using Python VS Code, I'm facing some error, like some libraries are missing, but I have already installed all libraries. Ma'am, can you help me with this issue? Yeah, sure, Santosh. So, in that case, Santosh, you have installed the libraries already installed, but some of them are missing. Santosh, try one thing, try your command prompt. Okay, try your command prompt once, and onto the command prompt, try installing up that particular respective library once. Okay, and if in that as well, if it is showing successfully installed, then you can once restart your system. Might that help you out? Okay. Okay, most welcome Prakash, Dhana Prakash. Okay, all clear, all clear, all clear. Fine, fine guys, fine. Let's proceed in. So I'm just making up the fit as true. Now what I will be doing is that I'll be making up a variable. Okay, I'll be making up a variable, and that variable I will be using for generating up my QR code. Okay, so G underscore QR, my variable. Okay, and into that I'm going to use a1, into which I had put in all the specifications, my box size, my border and everything. Okay, so a1 dot make underscore image. One second, image. Make underscore image, this function will help you Unreal to generate up the image for you. Okay, make underscore image. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to fill up the color over here. Fine. So generally all the QR codes are in the black and white color. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going to put up the fill color as black. Fill color as black means that the small squares which come up over the final result, now those I am simply converting up into your black. That is small squares which are resultant as the final answer, that is being converted to your black. Okay, comma the back color. So back underscore color. So back color, like whatever is the surface color onto which small black rectangles and the things are gonna appear. So that back color I am gonna make up over here as white. Okay, so that back color I am simply making up over here as white, right? Getting down, I'm gonna use that same G underscore QR dot save. Inside the save button, I'm gonna use up a respective name to save in my QR code image. Fine. So save, and I would just write live underscore one dot png. You can put a png image, that will be completely okay. So I have simply written live underscore one dot png. So when my QR code will be generated, so it will be generated with this particular name, which is live_1.png. Okay, so just confirm me, am I clear with these two lines as well to each and every one of you? Okay everyone, most welcome Santosh. Mohammed Nadeem, I'm doing very good. Thank you for asking. I'm doing good. Thank you. Just get me a confirmation, everyone. Am I clear up till the time? Let me have in some water. Okay, Simran, thanks for the confirmation. Okay, Santosh, thank you for the confirmation. Okay, Abhay, thank you for the confirmation. Thank you guys for the confirmation. Fine. Now, this too I have written. Now what I want to do is that in my project, I want to completely cover this in a sort of a GUI project that I was talking about. So what I'm going to do is that now I will be importing up my tkinter library. So from tkinter import asterisk. Okay, so from my tkinter library I am importing up the asterisk. Fine, that is what is required from my tkinter library. I am importing up the asterisk over here. Now what next I will do is that I can simply use up my tkinter window, my geometry, my title, all of those things to simply make in my QR code, right? That is what one thing we can do. So without doing up that respective stuff, first of all what I'm going to do is that I'm going to run in my program and check it at my end, right? If it is completely working fine, then we can simply generate up our and we can convert this onto a GUI project 1. Fine. So let me just quickly run it up over here once. So run QR code generator. Right, it will take in up a minute for running, and whatever is the required thing, it will help us to show the required output. So yes, it's successfully run. Okay, now for me the QR code will be generated. Okay, it will be generated. Let me go on to the folder where it will be this one, and the name is live_1.png. It is here, live_1.png. Now see, my QR code is there, but if you are going to scan it, so you will be able to see nothing now. I am again repeating. If you will scan this QR code, you will not be able to see anything over here. The reason is I haven't added anything into my QR code. I had simply made up a very simple image. So now I will be closing it and making it up more enhanced. Okay? Now let's convert it into the GUI, and then let's put up our links, and then let's proceed on with the further of the things onto our particular I would say the project. Okay. Om Gupta Mama, I have been learning from your videos since long, and I got an internship really recently. Thank you so much, and I'm happy to see your achievements. Thank you so much, Om, first of all, for supporting me over here and showering your support and love to me. Thank you so much for that. And I'm really very glad that you had gotten an internship recently after watching out my videos. I'm really very glad to listen that and see that, because the videos which I'm creating for you people, if those are helping you out, so it obviously gives me a very happier thing for me, right? So thank you so much, and thank you so much for seeing looking over my achievements. Thank you so much for that. Yeah, Santosh, absolutely we should say congratulations, so well done. Okay, so you people can as well support me into this journey of me. People can as well share your love and support through me to me in the form of these type of things. Okay, perfect. So next, what are we gonna do is that we are gonna start in our further making up of the complete project. Before that, I have one thing to tell you all. That is, recently I had started my Instagram as well. You people were asking me out a lot that else where we can connect. So you can connect with me over my Instagram. The ID is Shambhavi_Gupta4. Okay, it's Shambhavi. I would write it up over the screen only. Let me write up over here. It's Shambhavi_Gupta4. This is my Insta ID into which you people can connect with me over my Insta as well. Even you can connect with me onto my Twitter handle. So I would write it for the Twitter also. So it is @FunWithDataSCI1. That is my Twitter handle. Congrats everyone. Yeah, very nice everyone. Okay, so you people can get connected with me over Insta and over Twitter as well. And yes, Santosh, I am on LinkedIn. You can search Shambhavi Gupta over there. You will get me. You will get with the name Youngest Data Science and Machine Learning Educator. Let me write it for LinkedIn also. LinkedIn, you can search in like Shambhavi Gupta. Okay, fine. So these are the places where you people can get connected with me and stay in touch over there as well. Okay, perfect. So I was trying to modify this particular code, right? So okay, let's get down over here. And I will be making up a tkinter window. I'll be making up a tkinter window over here. So W, let's say this time we'll take W is equal to tk and putting up the brackets like this. This capital T and small k, what it is helping us to do? It is helping us to make up a tkinter window. Here like this, capital T, small k, and this is how like you can make up a tkinter window. Fine. Now, as I am converting it onto a GUI project, so I'm just simply using some configurations. So I'm going to write up this W dot, and I'm going to simply write up over here config function. Okay, bracket, I'm going to put up a background color, let's say background color I'm going to put up yellow. Okay, you can give up a geometry, W dot geometry. Fine. And get me a second please. It's 500 cross 500, let's say. Fine, you can put it of your choice as well. Next, web W dot, I'm gonna put up the title. So what is my title? My title could be own QR code. Own QR code you can write in the title of that particular window. Right, so these are the configurations which I have done in for converting this particular project of mine onto our GUI project. Fine, right up till now, and once confirm me, am I clear with these 4 lines to each and every one of you over here? Rahul, I'm connected with you but you do not see messages. Oh Rahul, it's not like that. It's completely not at all like that, Rahul, that I do not see the messages. It's just that Rahul, each and every day I get a lot of messages over there, so that's the reason it might have got missed out, and that can be the reason. Okay, so yeah, I am really very sorry for that. Once again, if you have something very urgently to ask out or something like that, so you can once again drop me out a message, and this time I would look it over there. Okay, Nikhil, I sent you a friend request on LinkedIn. Okay, fine, sure, Nikhil, it would be accepted. Okay. Nadeem, please make video. Oh, Nadeem, I don't know Urdu. I am only a Hindi and an English person. Okay, only Hindi and English person. Rahul, do we have to install tkinter? No, Rahul, tkinter doesn't need installation. It automatically comes installed with your Python. So if you have installed your Python, tkinter will come automatically installed. So you do not need to install tkinter over there. Santosh ma'am, why use tk? Santosh, whenever you are working with that tkinter library, okay, in the tkinter library, what do we have to do? First of all, we have to make up a tkinter window. Okay, we have to make up a tkinter window. So for making that tkinter window, this is the particular function which helps you to do so. So firstly, your tkinter window will be made. Into that tkinter window, you will be writing that headings, you will be writing the text, you will be putting the buttons and the things like that will go on. So for making up that tkinter window, this capital T small k, this particular function is actually used out. Rahul, okay, perfect Rahul, if it is clear. Nadeem, in Hindi, I'm not very much on Nadeem about Hindi because I am not sure with Hindi because I'm not very much good over that, but yeah, I will try to explain up the things in Hindi as well in between the stream, so like you can get the things. Okay, fine, it is done. And next I will be writing w dot main loop and putting up the brackets like this. This main loop function, it acts as a closing of my project. It acts as a closing of my program. Whenever you do not write this main loop function, even if you do not have any error in your program, your project will not run because you haven't added the main loop function. So it is very much necessary for always for you to add up this main loop function. Okay, now what I will be doing, I will be making up one of the labels, and secondly I will be making up a secondly I am making up a button. Okay, two things I'll be making up. So like this over here, my variable was a1 above which I did token. A2, let's take it A2. Okay, label. As in normal Python, when we have to write something onto our when we want to print something in the form of an output, we use up the print statements in Python, normal Python, right? When I am working out with the tkinter library, if I have to print something, I need to use in this label function. Very necessary. Fine, so label function will help you to display some text onto your tkinter window. That's the idea. W is my variable. Fine. Whatever the text you want to print in, you can write up that particular text. So it is like QR code generator. QR code generator. Fine. Like that. Comma. Background color you can set in according to your choice. Background. Now when I had done that, yellow. So I can make it up, let's say black, my background color. Okay, and comma. Okay, 1 second. I can set in a font color for that text which is QR code generator. So that could be FG. FG stands for my foreground, and foreground means my font color. Okay, so I'm just gonna set that as red over here. Fine, that's done. And I can specify some font specializations as well. Like I want that to be in the Arial. I want it to be 38, 35, let's say, and I want that, okay, 1 sec. And even I want that to be in the bold. Fine, so these are my specifications of the respective label, right? That is the idea. Now next I will be using A2 dot pack. A2 dot pack, what it will do, it will help me to align all the things line by line. See, every time writing up the, I would say every time writing up your rows, mentioning up your columns, that's a very difficult task. So simply write the pack function. It will help you to align up the things accordingly. Fine, that is the idea. And now I'll be making up the button. So B1 is my button. Button, B-U-T-T-O-N, brackets, W, comma. Text I want to write up here, that is create. C-R-E-A-T-E. Okay. Background, background color, I want it to be light pink. Okay. FG color, we can have it as green. Okay, font color. And font, we can have it as like your Arial. Size could be the same, 35. Okay, 35. And then it could be your bold. And again, I'm going to write B1 dot back. 1 second, back like this, putting up the brackets. Right? And that's the one another thing which we have done. Now I'll be taking a pause here for 1 minute and I'll be asking you, am I clear up till this particular point to everyone? If we can see your lecturer, yeah, sure. Anyone from the complete world can see my lectures. That's completely okay. Yes, everyone, just get me up a confirmation. Am I clear up till this particular place? Okay, Abhay, perfect. Fine. Now I am left with one thing, that is defining of my function. So def. It would be gg underscore code. My function. Okay, Nikhil, perfect. So I am simply defining up a function here which is gg underscore code. And whatsoever the portion I have written up over here, up till this, I'm just gonna do up all the tab. It means that I am gonna put up that main portion of my code which was, 1 second, which was this part. I'm gonna put that inside my function. Okay, that is the idea. And I am gonna call up that function over this particular one. So comma, command is equal to gg underscore code. So all the things whatsoever I have written, I have just simply made in a function for that and generated and just called up that function in my button. Rahul, why you use pack is pack inbuilt function? Rahul, see, I am using up the pack function over here because see, it's just that key pack will help you to align up the things automatically. Automatically means that onto the first row your text will come, that is your QR code generator. Then onto the second row your button will be there. So every time it's not necessary, Rahul, that we have to mention your row or the column values. So what we do, we just write this pack. It automatically puts up the things. Yes, it is the inbuilt function. But yes, into your tkinter library, Rahul, you can only use this function when you are having your tkinter library imported in your project. Okay, that is the idea. Okay, and I'm going to do one more thing. I'm going to write up a one more sentence so as a confirmation for me that when is my QR code generated. So let's say I take in A3 here. Okay, here I'll be writing label, but inside my function, not outside, inside. Okay, so label, it's like W, my window, comma, what will be my text? QR code generated, QR code generated. Okay, this will be my text over here, comma, and I can set in up a background. Background I can set in up somewhat, let's say light, light pink. Okay, I can set in up a font color, FG color. I can simply do that as black. That will work out, right? And I can set in up my font. So font is equal to, and I'm gonna write in, let's say it's gonna be Arial. Size I can put up 35, the same thing, and I'm gonna set that to your bold. And last, I'm gonna do A3 dot pack. All the designing, all the labeling, all the main code of my complete program have been done. I'm gonna make it to live_2.png. All the things have completely been done. Now I am left out with one thing, and that is taking up the link of my channel. So I'm gonna go over my Google here, and from here I would just take out the link. Control C. By the way, it's my channel, and even here I have mentioned in my LinkedIn and the Insta IDs. Okay, and here it's your Twitter. So you can go up over here and check out this particular one as well. Okay, you can follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Insta, wherever you want. Let's get back to the project, and I had copied up the link. I'll be putting up this link over here. And it's all sorted. Now we are ready to run our project. Before that, just tell me once, do we have any questions which have to be answered out by me? Or shall we proceed towards the running of our project? And let me switch on my laptop charging also. Fine. Tell me, shall we run the program? Okay, fine. So let's run out our project now. I'm going to click up over the run option. Okay. Rahul, you can use any of your choice options, Rahul. I preferred up the PNG format, so that is the reason. You can use JPEG as well. But PNG is always preferred because for JPEG you need to you need to have up some other libraries imported, and then only your image will be saved in the JPEG format. That is the reason. Okay, that is the reason I had just used in the PNG format. I will say it is my Tkinter window, QR code generator. I will click on to my create button. QR code generated. I am gonna close up this thing. I'm gonna not like that. Yeah, I'm gonna minimize it over here. Check in my folder. So live_2.png. So yes, this is my QR code which has been opened up over here for me. I can just simply open up my check in my with my Google Lens once. That is working completely fine or not. And up till the time, you people can as well once let me know, is this particular thing QR code working fine? Absolutely fine. If you want to check in, so see here, I have just opened up my channel with the help of my QR code, and it's absolutely working fine. So I hope you people have as well checked it at your ends. I hope you all have checked it at your ends as well, that is it working fine or not. So tell me in the chat box, is it working completely okay for everyone? Just scan up this QR code and let me know. For me, to actually it is completely working okay. For me, it's completely working fine. Okay, Abhay, if it is working fine, then it's perfect. Great. So into that same manner, where I have written in my YouTube link over here, in that same place over here, you can write in your social media handles, and you can share this QR code link with anyone, and that person will get to know about your social media handles. So that's so cool that you will be able to generate up your own QR code at your end, and you will simply be able to generate that and share that with many people. Thanks, Nikhil, for that. Okay, Rahul, I'm very glad to listen that if it is working very fine. Right, so let me know how many of you enjoyed making up this project with me, because I too have enjoyed a lot today making up this project with you people over here. You all tell me at your ends how many of you have enjoyed making up this particular project with me. So I hope everyone might have enjoyed making up this project over here, and learning up some new things, getting some more knowledge, and even interacting here. Okay, Rahul, good to hear that you have enjoyed in. Perfect. So I have already given you my social media handles, my Insta, my Twitter, my LinkedIn. You can get connected with me over Insta or over Twitter or over LinkedIn or everywhere wherever you people are. And so let's plan that Sunday thing which I was discussing in at the previous time with you all. Once in a month, that special live stream, which will be your generalized questions stream about your roadmaps, career, or internships, right? Or about earning money at an early age. In a college, how you can start earning, what are the methods, what are the processes, everything, right? Let's start doing up that live streams once in a month. So next Sunday, we will be having up this live stream time. I'll tell you it's 10 or 10:30. Either it will be 10 p.m. or it will be 10:30 p.m. Any one of those times will be there. So it's about that respective thing. Stay on tune onto the channel. You will get updated over all of these things very soon. I will update you over my channel only, even onto my LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, everywhere wherever you are connected with me. I will update you with the things regarding this particular thing. Ma'am, did you start any course regarding data science? Vaibhav, not that type of course, Vaibhav, where I take one-on-one sessions, but you can find in my courses onto my Udemy. Okay, so you can check on my Udemy account, which is there you can just search in Shambhavi Gupta. You will get me over there, and there I have I have 15 of my courses over there. So there you can that's the course about the one. And onto YouTube, so I already have in many playlists regarding the data science and the stuff. And if you're talking about some live sessions regarding data science, so that currently I'm not taking at my end, right? So at that end, I am working with the different edtechs like Upgrad and the one. So for them, I am only taking the live sessions, not at my own any of the sessions. Nikhil Snapchat. Oh, not Nikhil. Now please don't ask me to come up over there also. No, 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 no. I'm not gonna come in the future as well over there. It's limited up till instant bidder only. प्रोफेसर मैम एक दिन उनके फ़ोन चेक करने लगे, मेरे पापा को लगा कि मैं सही तैयारी कर रहा हूँ, पर पापा ने फ़ोन पर कहा कुछ और देख लिया और इसमें बहुत मारा, फिर मुझे वैसे बाहर निकाल दिया और फिर मैं आज फिर वही कुछ और ले लिया और आज each and everyone should be proud onto their own selves, right? You should be proud of what you are doing right now. आप जो भी अभी कर रहे हो आपको उस चीज़ पे प्राउड होना चाहिए. You should be आपको मतलब खुद ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए कि that whatever I am doing, if that is correct, so it's sure you should have the proud onto your own self, and that is the best thing which you can ever have into your life, and that is the proud and that faith into your own self. Balaji ma'am, project Balaji, today we have completed that was a QR code project where we have made up a GUI QR code generator. Vaibhav, doubts can be asked in onto my special sessions which are gonna conduct once in a month, that is your next Sunday. Okay, perfect guys. So thank you everyone for coming up over here. Thank you everyone for joining in. Thanks everyone for being over here. I really enjoyed a lot in today's live stream. I really had up a lot of fun with you people, and I hope you all as well had up a lot of fun here interacting with me. Now I'll see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. only onto the YouTube channel Fun with Data Science. Baba ma'am have take one session number regarding some doubts. Vaibhav, so tomorrow, next live stream, that is on Sunday now, so you can come up with your NumPy questions and I'll be happy to answer those in the same live stream. Okay, you can just come up over that, and here I will on to the next live stream next Saturday, and I will simply clear up all of your questions over NumPy. Balaji, actually I joined now only. Oh, okay, not a issue, Balaji, it's completely fine. You can watch out the recording. It will be onto the channel itself. It will get processed, and it will be live somewhat tomorrow around 1 or 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So then you can watch out the recording and make up the project. Nikhil, not today. We'll do the next project in the next live stream. Okay. So thank you so much everyone for joining in the session. Thank you everyone for being here. I'm gonna see you all next Saturday, same time, 10 p.m. in the evening with some more new projects for you all. Thank you everyone. Take care. Bye bye and very good night.